lobby.
There it is.
What's this right?
To the left, right there. Oh, that glass, they gotta take down the
No longer for lease.
no longer for lease. All right, guys, we are here. We are here at soon-to-be Flash Printing Depot. Chelly's got the new shirt on that she just pressed. We're gonna make up a bunch for me, but let's go ahead, let's go on in. We just got the keys, so they have to do a lot of inspections and stuff like that, so we'll hold the door. Got baby girl Lulu from Lulu's Colorful World filming today. So they have to do a lot of inspections. They got to do something with the toilet and all this other stuff. So we are just in here. We just got the keys from the beautiful ladies down there at the, what's it called?
A salon.
At the salon.
I forgot what the salon.
They hooked up. Is there any lights? No, I don't think so.
I'm trying to see. Oh, no.
Oh, there is lights.
Where?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yeah, a couple of lights. So whenever, I think they have to do just a bunch of stuff. They already did the floors. So if you guys look over there too, brand new floors. And then they just got to do a few things here. And I think that's really it. Oh, and the bathroom. So you can go over there and Chelly will show you the bathroom.
Don't look at the bathroom.
Well, you can show them the before and after.
So this is, yes. All right, when leasing out units, there's always room for negotiation. Some units, they like to sell units. Some properties like to sell units as is, or you can negotiate. I was not accepting this unit as is, just because, come on in. Look at this toilet. It's kind of old, run down. I'm sure it works perfectly, but look at this sink. So this is something that I wanted to negotiate. They are coming for an inspection and they will take a look to see if it's old and run down, which visibly it is. So they will be replacing that. Hopefully the sink, I don't know. But always room for negotiation in your, really I guess depends on the property, right? And your pricing, and some people have promotions like sign 2 years, get a month free. So it just really depends. So always study your contract and see what they're willing to negotiate. So this is our second location.
Store,
yes, the first time we had one in 2021, which was FCD Vinyl and Apparel. If you guys are new here, we sold blank apparel and HTV vinyl, and we did custom apparel out of that as well. But then we blew up on YouTube and went all orders online.
From DTF Transfers.
From DTF Transfers, yes.
From DTF Transfers.
So now we are opening Flash Printing Depot.
And it is hot as heck in here. I'm melting because they got the AC off because we have, we still got to do the process to get the lights in our name. But this is just a quick tip for anybody out there if you're working on a store. Don't just sign the lease and then immediately throw the lights in your name, because when they come in here and they're running all their power tools and fixing everything and all that other stuff, it'll be on your dime, not theirs. And there's some other stuff, some wires, stuff like that they got to fix over there. So we could turn it down, but I don't know if they're going to be regulating that or whatever. They're probably going to fix those blinds or remove them. Yeah, so this is definitely our second time at the store. Second time getting a store, but this one, like she was mentioning before, is going to be more of a showroom. So all along this wall will be textured with a special vinyl, and it will have all types of graphics on it, and there will be multiple pieces of equipment all along this wall, all along that wall, and who knows what we're gonna have in the middle, because we still have to design the layout. But this layout is really ideal.
Yes, we did have some in mind that were longer, maybe the same square footage, but longer. But I like the wideness of this. It gives more of a showroom feel. So wider is like, okay, showroom, longer feels more like retail to me.
Yes, yeah.
Especially with the two different stores that we had. So this is our second time around. We're a lot more knowledgeable.
Yes, 100%.
We have a lot more support.
Yes.
We are established in the industry. So it's overall a very different experience this time around. So I'm really excited.
All right, so again, that's gonna be it. We are burning up. We're trying to figure out, oh, that's perfect. So come on back in. So that's gonna be it for this video. Again, it is burning up hot in here. We really don't wanna touch the AC because, you know, we're not really supposed to be touching anything. Even though the lease is signed, we're just gonna leave everything where it's at. We're not gonna, you know, make too many waves or anything, but that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to check out Chelly's video. She's about to do one too over at Flash Custom Transfers. And yeah, we're about to get this thing started. As soon as they're done in here, which shouldn't probably take about a week, we're gonna bring everything down, all the equipment, and you'll see a bunch of equipment in here we will be able to handle and sell to the entire, really the whole nation, as we always have been doing. But any types of supplies or equipment, you will be able to come to Flash Printing Depot.
FlashPrintingDepot.com.
Check us out.
Bye. All right, guys, we were here getting some measurements for the unit, and Jake and Joe popped their heads in. And of course, they are with Optimum Business, and we had tons of questions about getting our Wi-Fi set up, getting a phone line, so they were able to help us, and we actually got signed up. Joe gave us an amazing deal, and he also said, if you guys are interested, please mention Flash, and you can also get these amazing discounts. What's going on right now with the Optimum, guys?
We are just out here trying to drum up as much business as we possibly can, make folks aware that we're here. We are faster than any competitor. We beat them on price, and we just want to earn everybody's business.
Perfect.
And we go door to door every day.
Every day,
In this
looking
Texas heat.
in this Texas heat, just hunting folks and trying to figure out what we can do to save them some money and get them some better internet.
And y'all got one today.
We got us today. So
Y'all got one
now we
today.
got a good partnership here. So
Yes, I'm very excited. Joe hooked it up for us. Jake got us all ready, so we will be installed here, up and running as soon as we get the keys.
woohoo.
So be sure to visit them. Do you have a website?
No. Well, we don't want everybody going to the Optimum's website. You just call Jake.
Okay. No. Let me see. I got Jake's number right
Yeah.
here, so we'll put his information in the bottom, and he'll take good care of you. Thank you again,
Awesome.
guys. I appreciate y'all.
No, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.